Man and woman killed in Dunkirk identified. Hi again and welcome. This is the Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Link 007 TV News Report. 4 people were shot, 2 fatally in Dunkirk, East Kingston on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Trevor Campbell and a 21-year-old female Tamika Harvey, both of Kingston 16 addresses. Preliminary reports are that a group of people were at a vigil in a section of the community called Site when gunmen came up to the location and opened fire. The police said that 4 people were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to the hospital where Campbell and Harvey succumbed to their injuries. The other 2 persons are in hospital in serious but stable condition. The police have since increased their presence in the area. What led to the shooting is still unknown as the police continue their investigation. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.